Right guys, the vent is now in, the roof vented open. That's actually an electric fan roof vent. Fits in absolutely wonderfully. I gave the roof a bloody good clean because, as you can see, with all the rain and stuff we've had here, the top of the roof is just manky dirty. So I cleaned that section of roof completely, dried it off with a heat gun to make sure it was bone dry, and warmed up all the metal before I put the sealant on it to make sure that the thing was completely dry. It's all good. I gave a nice little dollop over all the screws as well, just to make sure that there's no water could go down where the screw heads are coming through. If you see on the far side there, that's the top of the fan that comes out of the bathroom. That's completely all sealed. That's actually quite easy because once you put it in place, all you need to do is put a big ring of sealant around the hole before you press the fan down into it, and tighten it as much as you can. It'll squash all the excess out and you'll get a really, really good seal to the roof. So that's what that's done, and it's all sorted. All the grey stripes you see there, guys, are where there was rust from stuff being put on the roof previous to when I bought it. I just touched up all the rust. And that job there is a seal, the rear seal that wasn't great when it was when I got the van first. That was the main reason that we had all the water inside the van came in underneath that seal, and it's actually been bone dry since. All this roof in the new year, when the weather gets better, is getting a complete coat of roof paint when the whole van is painted. So it'll be absolutely fantastic job when it's finished. Okay, see you later guys, bye bye.